Hi friends, welcome. NotebookLM has recently introduced a featured notebook. What it is? NotebookLM we know that it is a AI powered research and writing tools developed by Google. So in this, a new feature is added, a featured notebook which picks up a specific topic area or a publication house, and it gives a shared notebook to all, appearing giving it more popularity. And it's not in a edit mode. We'll learn more about this featured notebook. Here is what Google says about its new release. You can see here, try featured notebooks on selected topics. What are the topics are? You'll just scroll down. Here you will find 8 topics on which this particular featured notebook is appearing now. Only these 8 you can see. So initially, you can read it, longevity on the economics. This is published by the Economist, then advice on notebook based on bestseller author. You can go browse all these topics in which this is appears. Now let's first go to this second one, which is on our issued by the Economist. Now here it is opened in the tab. You can see here, this is the World Ahead 2025. You can go for listen to the broadcast by loading it here. But you can notice that once it loads it, a most important feature is joining this conversation is not allowed here. And you can see here it says public notebook. This notebook is view only. So it is being, since it features all several articles of the Economist. So these are particularly available in a no edit mode, so I cannot add anything to here, or I can do. Here it is available, but interactive mode is missing here, and this is an edit mode also. So I can also note that I can change the language, but this audio feature I may not able to change it. You can ask questions. So all a host of lot of articles are here available, all from the Economist. Note that this particular Economist article is paid version, means many of the articles on a free version you may not get it to read, but here these are all given here as sources. So it's like a annual publication or quarterly publication, they can give it freely. So that is what you can read here inside the NotebookLM, but directly you cannot click a link and go, even though the source is you may get it here, but the article, like you can see here, it is the Economist. Even if I go there also, I need to be a paid subscriber to access the source of this material. I have changed the language, so it is giving me a different language based on your setting here. You can see here output language. You can change the setting. Here I search for NotebookLM, and here's the first link to notebook. So I click this and landed here. This is my homepage in NotebookLM, and you can see I have logged in already. So all my notebooks are appearing here. Now let's just go to one, and note that here there is no featured notebook link is available, and this is probably flowing, and maybe in a couple of days or something, in a week time I will get a link here. But this is already available in USA. So the featured notebook is already released, and in some countries it is visible. Here the link for the featured notebook will come. Let's see how the sharing is allowed here, and let's see. I am inside one of my notebook. You can see this is the language I set it to Hindi, so it's showing in a Hindi, and you can see here interactive mode. So this is missing in some of the featured notebook. I think in 1 or 2 notebook you will find this also, but in the Economist what you have seen, there is no interactive mode. And here you can change the language setting here, output language, as you have already previously discussed about this output language. You can click and change the settings. Now let's see the share button. Here you can see that share publicly. This here is the one I can share with my friends. I can enter their email address, or a group I can create and give it this one. Probably if you have a group of subscribers, you can add them here and send that one to your subscribers. Now here the mode is restricted, or anyone with a link. Once I go to the anyone with a link, I can copy this link and save it and send it to by entering email ID, or send it to a group, or by can add it to my friends list here also. So this is how once I can share it. But note that once it is featured notebook is available, then I will get a link here. Here it will appear. In future, the more and more topics will appear in this featured notebook. That's what we are expecting. And the popular publication houses like, let's say, World Steel Journal, Washington Post, or even Times of India or BBC and the Economist, all these will queue up for publishing their quarterly or annual or monthly reports under this featured notebook LM or in the featured notebook. Now what happens is, how this criteria for appearing in the featured notebook, that will in the time can only say, and probably Google may charge some money also to appear in this particular feature. And this is also a gist of learnings for users also will like, definitely, because it's a totally a summary of an annual event or an annual magazine, say HBR's all the total 12 issues or whatever 10 issues, it can summarize and give it in the as a notebook to the user. So maybe it may be appear behind a paid or a free area. So we'll see, the time will tell, and Google also must earn some money. And note that notebook LM's popularity is growing. So appearing in this featured area will be a privilege, or it will be advantageous to the many business houses within the days to come. What do you think about this? Do you think this feature will help the business organizations or researchers to grow? Should it be part of a paid or free subscription? And another thing also, what are the criteria to appear on this featured notebook? These are all the questions future will answer. So please write your comments on this, and we frequently publish or discuss such type of tutorials on the different AI tools and publications, and on Python also. So if you feel these are appropriate for you, please, my request is subscribe to our channel and tell your friends also to join, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are adding tutorials, and we are frequently adding such discussions also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.